Super tipid at also very healthy na recipe para sa atin. Ang ating stir-fried tofu with vegetables. Let's start cooking. And ito yung bida sa ating recipe. And I'm just adding oil to my wok. And I will just dice my tofu. Ito yung protina natin. Very good alternative source of healthy protein. Just fry away. No? Diretso. Kung ayaw mo siyang i-fry ng ganito, kasi ayaw mo din ng oil, yung pwede mong gawin ay i-air fryer mo siya. Ito, we'll just let that brown. And my mixture is very simple kasi I'm just combining sugar and patis. So ito siya, sobrang daming pwede mong gawin. Pwede mo siya ipalaman sa lumpia. Diba? Pwede ka rin mag-isa ng bihon or kahit anong pansit. Then ito yung topping mo. Ay, ang sarap talaga. Please grab a copy of my cookbooks, Simpol 101, Simple Kitchen Secrets, and Baking Simple, available at Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Kaya add to cart na. As long as naluto na siya, pwede mong i-drain out yung oil. Option mo yan, ha? So if you don't want your vegetables to be greasy, you can drain out some of the oil, no? Then on the side, we will add our bawang, sibuyas, carrots, ito, sayote, yan, baguio beans, bell peppers, yan. And I also have ito, yung aking repolyo. I will just cut into strips. Lagyan natin. And now, I will add my special sauce. Oh, mabango agad. Very nice flavor. And the reason why I use patis instead of soy sauce. Look at that, it's so vibrant. It looks so fresh. Look at that, it's so beautiful. And ito siya, pwede nito. Ito na yung recipe nyo ng lumpiang hubad. No? Gawa ka ng very garlicky sauce. Konting cornstarch water, soy sauce, and a lot of garlic and sugar. Eh, ito na. So, I want the tokwa. Yan. And dapat ready ka agad to serve. Oh my God. That's so perfect. Recipe for today, mga mommies, gawin nyo na. Sobrang easy. Ang ating stir-fried tofu with vegetables. Simple!